And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell.
Well, the precipitation has continued to pick up. We had drier air move in earlier this morning. If you were checking in on KATK today with meteorologist Carson Vickroy, he was talking about how now all that precipitation that we were seeing on the radar making it to the ground, but through the process of evaporative cooling, our temperature has continued to drop such that now we are seeing precipitation increase. It's mostly in the liquid form, as you saw there from our long view camera. For those of you that are along Highway 259, points to the east, all the way down into deep East Texas, Highway 59, you're least likely to see wintry precipitation, but we'll talk more about that here in just a moment. Look at the temperatures. We are in the 30s for a lot of areas, some 40s in deep East Texas. We talked about how temperatures would fall during the day, and that's exactly what has occurred. We even have some 20s off to our north and northwest, but with the northeast wind, it even feels colder than that. We're looking at lower 20s for wind chill values. It even feels like 19 back in Sulphur Springs at this time. Here's a general view of the radar. Most of the precipitation is still in the liquid form, where we would probably see freezing rain at this current moment. That would be probably from Anderson County going all the way up to Hopkins County, Wood County included in that, and even northwest sections of Smith County, primarily because the temperature is at and below the 30-degree mark at this point. You'll notice as we look back over to the west and to the southwest, we're already starting to see the beginning stages of our next upper level disturbance that's going to help increase the precipitation as we go into tonight. It does look like we will change over to some freezing rain, especially in our west areas. Let's give you a big picture look, and then we'll come back in locally in just a moment. I want to send it over to meteorologist Andrew Salmon. Andrew, this is a very extensive winter storm stretching all the way up into even portions of the Ozarks through the day today.
That's right, Marcus. It's also a very energetic storm. As the system moved into parts of Oklahoma, it brought some heavy sleet and some snow and some freezing rain. In fact, earlier today, there was a special weather statement out in northern Oklahoma for a strong thunderstorm, but all it had was sleet as well. So this is a very dynamic system. Here locally, of course, we have seen on and off showers and some freezing rain in our northwest counties. Now, we do have that winter weather advisory in effect for the counties shaded in blue, where some areas could pick up to the 0.2 of an inch of freezing rain. That will be mainly in our far western areas. The closer to the Dallas-Fort Worth area you get, could see up to 0.2 of an inch. Now that would be very isolated in nature. Most of us are going to see much less than that. But that is something that we will be tracking very closely over the next couple of hours. And more importantly, the road temperatures is also something we need to pay attention. In deep East Texas, you're perfectly fine. Road temperatures are well into the 40s. That is well above freezing. The further north you go, though, you start to see some concerns. It's right at the freezing mark for the road temperatures in Sulphur Springs. So especially those bridges and overpasses will start to freeze over when those road temperatures drop to 32. And then as it gets even colder as we head into tonight, we could see more roadways freeze over, especially in that northwestern areas closer to the Dallas-Fort Worth. Again, road temperatures is something we'll be tracking very closely through the rest of the overnight hours. Marcus?
Yeah, Andrew, we definitely will keep an eye on that, but also increasing precipitation coming our way too. Let's walk you through Futurecast on what we're anticipating. We talked about how we're already starting to see some moisture begin to increase back over in central Texas. That is lifting in our direction. That is the layer of warmer air. It's an extensive layer of warmer air, about 3,000 to 5,000 feet up, but then we have temperatures at and below freezing at the surface. That's why we're seeing the changeover to freezing rain. Now, it's not going to be very heavy freezing rain, but you know it takes a little bit more and more with time. That leads to problems. By 10 o'clock tonight, we're still looking at some light freezing rain that's beginning to pick up. It really begins to overspread going into early Thursday morning. There's 4 a.m. We'll get you closer to about 6 or 7 a.m. If you have to travel back to the Metroplex, bigger problems are expected there. Now for tomorrow, we're still looking at the freezing line to nudge more to the northwest, but it may not clear our northwest counties, so most of us will transition back over to rain, but we could still have some freezing rain ongoing from Henderson all the way up into Hopkins counties. That's where we could see some of our bigger problems. Tonight through tomorrow, Best chances of light ice accumulation in the areas of pink. That essentially goes up to Highway 271. But those of you along Highway 259, certainly a close call. We're going to have to keep an eye on that temperature. I think you make it to 32, 31, but we need to get to 30 and colder for us to see an ice accumulation. Rain chances, precipitation continues. Your dry day for the next 3 days is Friday. However, Friday evening, rain picks back up. Wet weather on Saturday. Sunday is the day that we will be rooting for sunshine to return. And how about next week? We're going back to 70. I'm sure most of us cannot wait for that. DB's Texas, all of this is mostly rain for you. Even tomorrow night, Mayan is a brief wintry mix, but no problem. More rain picking up for you as early as Friday afternoon. You can keep up to date with our forecast at KATK.com.
Take me to Wednesday. Marcus and Andrew, thank you both very much.